My name is Ahamkara, and I would like to introduce you a completely new workshop what we're going to do in Zennergi Center. It's a workshop man and woman. It's a wisdom from Siberia about relation between man and woman. The subject is always actual because this is important knowledge. We always looking for relation, we're always looking for partner. And when we find a partner, often we don't know what to do with this partner. Many problems comes up. We don't understand each other. And that's really true because we are so different. And during this workshop, we will be share the knowledge how to understand each other, how to find peace and harmony, what your partner needs, and what you can expect from your partner, what you can give to your partner, and how to understand the language what your partner is speaking with you. Because we're all speaking the same language, but we also still not understand each other. And this workshop is supposed to help you to understand your partner, also help you to find the balance, find the harmony, also to just enjoy the relation what you already have and see the future in your relation, because we're also going to talk about how to create the future, how to build the future together, and how to be together. In this workshop we do a lot of theory, of course, because it's all about the understanding, all about knowledge. But in between, of course, we are going to work with the rituals and also energy work, just to get to know what it is about. And we're going to work with the energy of constellation, like we were going to bring ourselves in the different roles, just to get to feel from inside what you feel your partner, what you feel your child, what you feel your parents, and that's give you an understanding even a deeper level than just in the mind, but it's come into your feelings as well, that wisdom. This workshop for everyone, because if you are single, I'm sure you're also looking for a relationship. It means soon you will get a partner, you get a relation, and it's nice to be ready for a connection with your partner. And even if you're looking for a partner, if you're looking for a relation, you need to know that knowledge just to understand the person, understand the intention of the person, understand the message what person wants to send to you. My intention to pass you the wisdom, pass you the knowledge. And the next step, you have to take this knowledge and integrate to your life, integrate to your daily life. And if you integrate it well, your life can change upside down. You can see that, big profit out of that workshop. And that profit will be a good relation. First of all, try to see positively your partner and give compliments to your partner. It's a good beginning to support the relation. Look what is positive, what is good about your partner, and tell that to your partner. Because that's what most of the relation missing, people not telling good things to each other. They forget to give compliments, they forget to say positive words. Small information already can change the relation, because understanding and the wisdom is a big thing which can influence your relation.
Ahamkara is absoluut een fantastische shamaan, vind ik. Aangename persoon, rustig, inspirerend ook. Weet op een hele simpele manier alles over te brengen, waardoor het eigenlijk toegankelijk wordt voor iedereen.
Authentic, that's one word, and very affordable for everybody at its own level. It's like very easy understandable, and also he doesn't put himself too seriously in the contact and the teachings.
Hij vertelt, dat vind ik het mooiste. Hij deelt zijn kennis en het is aan jou wat je met die kennis kan. Voelt heel waardevol. Voor mij heel waardevol.
Alles wat hij vertelt komt zo naturel, of neutraal moet ik eigenlijk zeggen, over, dat het is niet ingewikkeld. Alles is eenvoudig. Dus ik heb eigenlijk gereedschap gekregen om daar gewoon mee om te gaan. Zonder dat het hoog en verheven is, laat hij zien hoe het is om met deze energieën om te gaan. Sterker nog, voor mij zet hij het ook neer binnen de cursus. Hij vertelt onder andere over de Oemai-energie, dat is de moeder aarde-energie. En die houdt hij naar mijn beleving heel erg goed in stand tijdens de cursus. Welke energie we ook beleven, hij houdt een hele mooie energie vast. En dat leert hij ons niet, hij laat ons zien hoe het is. Want naar mijn beleving is hij zo.
Zeer, zeer duidelijk, hij is heel goed verstaanbaar, praktisch en eigenlijk ook aangenaam om naar te luisteren. En zeer steunend ook in zowel de theorie als de praktijk.
Ik vind hem eigenlijk humorvol en een kei in het vinden van eenvoudige voorbeelden, waardoor dat je meteen begrijpt waarover hij het heeft. En door die humor maakt het ook luchtig, maar daardoor blijft het ook beter hangen. Door die humor en zijn voorbeelden die hij brengt. En ik denk dat hij er zelf ook enorm veel van geniet.
Very much like Ahamkara's approach, very practical, down to earth, and his very strong sense of humor as well.